So, this is what I wake up to on my pillow every morning. Just taking up half my pillow for his own self. But I love him, so.
Hey y'all, good morning. Today is Saturday, April 15th. I wanted to do a vlog today because this morning, as you can see, I am all dressed up and fancy. I got my cute little earrings on, my bolo tie necklace, my cute little Thunderbird bracelet. But we are going to this cute little Easter party this morning, so I thought I would take y'all along with me. Additionally, I may be going into Houston this afternoon to go meet Leanne Vogel, and she is very influential in the keto community. So, since she's in town, I would love to go into Houston and meet her. I'm going to take y'all along for this crazy day. We just got home from that little Easter party. It was super cute, but funny story. Well, not really that funny, but on the way to the party, me and my mom both had cups of coffee in silver Yeti cups, so just silver metal cups. So we were just sitting there in the car, and Mom takes a sip of coffee, opens up the lid, and dumps it out the window. She was like, "That was gross." And I was like, "Mom, that was my coffee." I was so angry. I hadn't had any coffee. I hadn't even taken a sip of it. Dumps it out the window because she said it was gross, because she thought it was hers. What the heck, Mother? What the heck? She crazy. She crazy. Come here, Boo! Hello, bud. Look, this is like the one time you'll see me in heels and I got my ripped jeans on, you know, just fancy today. I swear, my mom just really likes to make me sad sometimes. She was like, "Katherine, I need you to go pick up these cookies I ordered." It's like, okay. Of course she ordered literally my absolute favorite type of sugar cookies. And they're like the cutesy kind. Gosh, Mom. Like, look at how freaking cute these things are. Why do you do this to me, Mom? Oh no, little bunny's ear broke off. Oh no. Me and my mom are about to head into Houston. It is about 2:30. I have not had anything to eat today except one hard-boiled egg. So, in my little paper towel right here, I have 2 cold sausage links that I'm going to eat. But I will check in with y'all here in a little bit because we have a drive into Houston. Me and my mom, we are headed into Houston to go meet Leanne Vogel of Healthful Pursuit. I'm sure if you've ever done any research on the Keto Diet, her website has popped up. So she has a new book out. She's doing a book tour. We're gonna go say hi because I wanted to meet her since she's in town.
If you can find a non-GMO, organic canola oil that you're only gonna put on salads, it's like momentously better than sesame oil. Like sesame oil, that stuff is bad. Seriously, I had no idea.
So I had the pleasure of coming out to meet Leanne Vogel today, and she is, want to say what your blog is, or what you do.
I write at healthfulpursuit.com, and I have a YouTube channel called Healthful Pursuit and a podcast, the Keto Diet podcast, and I just came out with this book that you're holding.
Yeah.
This book.
So yeah, she is in Houston doing her book tour. She just came out with the Keto Diet book. So it's the complete guide to a high-fat diet. If you are interested in buying this book, I will leave a link down in the description box and all of the links to her channels as well. because she is awesome and she's been a big inspiration to me on my journey through kind of, I guess I don't know how to say it, but building a keto diet and being a young voice for the keto diet.
So exciting. I'm so glad you're doing that because there isn't really a resource for younger people wanting to do keto, and I imagine it being so different. As someone who's now in her 30s, I'm beyond knowing what younger people need and want, so I think it's really cool that you're doing that. So thank you for putting that resource out there, because I'm sure it'll benefit a lot of people for sure.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It was really great to meet Leanne and buy her new book. I would highly recommend it to y'all. But now, me and Mother, we are going to Lupe Tortilla because I really want some fajitas. So, we're gonna go get some fajitas and I will show y'all what I eat. Y'all found some bird seed. Have a little buffet before you eat. All right, enjoy. What's up, little lady? Bedtime for Bonzo. Ma'am, you're very loud. You're very loud. Yes. I am back home in Baytown. We went to Lupe Tortilla for dinner, and oh my golly, doesn't that food look so freaking delicious? Because it was so good. We got beef and chicken fajitas, as well as I think jalapeno and cheese stuffed shrimp. They were delicious, and we just dug in and ate, and it was so good, so good. So this evening I do plan on filming a ton of recipe videos for y'all. I went shopping last night. Me and my mom spent like 2 hours at the Kroger, just wandering around and picking up stuff for my videos. So I am super excited to bring these recipes to y'all in the next few days. All right, let's see if we have any eggs. Oh, this door is so heavy. Let's see. Oh, we do have one little blue egg in there, and we got a nosy kitty. What's up, Odie? All right, let's grab our egg. What you doing? You're not a chicken. You're not a chicken. Now let's check the other coop. This tree, it's like a little magical wonderland under here, where it's grown down all the way around. Oh my golly, apparently we haven't gotten these eggs in a couple of days. Look at how many pretty ones are in there. They look so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at how these 2 little white eggs equal about 1 regular egg. These are laid by one of our little chickens, and he usually tries to eat them. That's why you so shiny, Bo. Is why you so shiny. I've just got the kitchen all cleaned up, and I am about to start filming some videos for you guys. I'm so excited to film these because they're super exciting recipes. Since he's becoming a regular now, I figured we'd come say hi to our little possum friend. Hello, little guy. Really? You're gonna come into our backyard now? Do you know how annoying you are? Come on. Hey guys, so I wanted to address something that we all encounter all the time. If you're on a ketogenic diet, you're gonna go to a party like I did this morning, where a lot of the times there's probably not going to be something you eat. Or you might go out to dinner with friends and you don't have anything on the menu that you can eat. One thing about entering social situations and staying keto is you have to go there with the mindset that you're not going to fall off the diet, and if someone offers you pizza or cake, you're gonna have to say no thank you. And it can be really hard because there's a lot of people who say 1 bite won't hurt, but a lot of those people are those people who aren't ever going to find success in their life. They're about, you know, you can cheat a little bit it's not gonna do that much harm. You have to keep the mindset that you are doing this to better your life. There's a lot of times that people will take a simple like, no thank you, and they won't ask you again. But there is some of those people that will push you to, you know, break your diet. So usually what you can do is just make up some BS excuse, and a lot of people just go with it. You can always say like, I've been having some problems with my blood sugar lately. I've been trying to cut out sweets and carbs, and I'm feeling a lot better. And so I don't want to jinx it, so I'm going to say no thank you for that tonight. So it can definitely be a struggle or give you anxiety going out into these social situations where food is a lot of the times a center of these social situations. So you just always have to go in or go out with the mindset that you're not going to break the keto diet. Just go out there and eat what you can. Say no thank you to what you can't, and always make up a BS excuse if you have to. Those were a little bit of social tips with Kat about the keto diet. Want to know what time it is? It is mineral water time. I am obsessed with that stuff. It's a problem. I got my lime. I've got liquid stevia. The 3 keys to making my favorite drink in the world right now. This is a problem, but honestly, I could have a lot worse problems. Let me show you how to make this, okay? I don't know why I'm walking circles in my kitchen. I'm just super pumped. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up our cabinet. We are going to, there's one certain glass I like to use when I make this. There it is. I found her. I got the big cup. What we're going to do is grab our lime, slap that baby in the microwave for 10 seconds, get them juices a-flowing. We're gonna open our freezer, and we're gonna grab some ice, you know, put in our glass. We're not gonna run over this dog who's conveniently always in my way. All right. All right, we got our ice. And so now on the way back to the microwave, we're going to open up this drawer, reach in, grab us a little knife. Then we're gonna open up that here microwave, grab our little lime, slap it on the counter. We're gonna slice our little old lime in half and try not to cut off your fingers. We wanna keep our phalanges, everyone. Lime is cut in half. What you're gonna do, squeeze them there juices right down into your cup. Except this is not a very juicy lime. Where you at, juices? Where are you at? I need them. Fun fact though, if you ever throw a lime into your drink or a lemon, make sure to wash the outsides of the skin because you never know what is on them or who's touched them in the grocery store. Now that we got our lime and our ice in our cup that I like, we're going to take our little bottle of stevia, liquid stevia, squirt us a little bit straight on into the glass. And then last, we are going to grab our Pellegrino mineral water, dump that right on in. Yes! I don't know why I just picked up a weird accent and just went a little bit crazy to make this, but you know, you never know what's gonna happen on the Kat's YouTube channel. Hey guys, so it is 10 o'clock and this gal is flat out pooped. I have not really had a good night's sleep where I sleep like 8 hours in probably 7 or 8 days. So what I'm going to do is go take me a nice hot bath, use one of my little fun bath bombs, go crawl into bed with my little dog children, and pass out and catch up on some much needed sleep. I hope that y'all enjoyed today's little vlog slash follow me around video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see y'all again real soon with another video. Bye guys!